Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Reserve market graphs can look tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's analyze how the central bank shifts these horizontal curves right now. Look at the graph where the demand for reserves has a flat horizontal section. This represents the floor where the policy rate is set by the central bank's administered interest rates. When that horizontal demand curve shifts downward, it directly shows a decrease in those administered rates. This specific movement is a classic signal of an expansionary monetary policy shift in action. With a constant supply curve and a lower demand floor, option A is the only logical choice for this specific market change. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush, trust given data, and check your steps for success.